Hey guys, Authentic Watches here, and today I'll be showing you how to adjust the time on your Exospace B55 Breitling watch. So to begin, we'll start by taking the crown and using it to adjust the uppermost box to the time setting. Now, pull the crown out to position 2, and now you're ready to change the time. As you can see, your hour digits are starting to flash. This means that you're ready to change the time. To adjust the hour time, turn the crown like so. And when you have set that and you're ready to adjust your minute time, press the bottom button, P2, and turn the crown again like so. When you are satisfied with that, press the bottom button again in order to adjust your second time. If you wish to reset your second time to 0, press the top button, P1, like so. And when you have reached a desirable time, press the crown back in, and that is how you adjust your time on your Exospace B55 Breitling watch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if this helps, and we'll see you in the next one.